Now let's see an example program on if-else statement in Python. So first I want to check whether the given number is even number or odd number with the help of if-else statement. So let us consider this is num variable, and I'm going to read the value, and after reading this value, now we can check whether this number is even or odd. Okay, by just checking like this, num mod 2 double equal to 0. If any number you are able to divide with 2, then you can say the number is even number, right? So now I'll print given number is even. Okay, suppose if this condition is evaluated to false, then it is going to enter into the else block. Inside the else block, I'll write a print statement saying that given number is odd. Okay, so let's run this program and see the result. Enter any value. I'm entering value as 6, and you can see the result. Given number is even. Now let's run one more time. Enter any value. This time I'm entering value as 7. Given number is odd. So this is how it is going to work. Okay. So now let's write another program in order to check two given numbers are equal or not. Okay. So for this purpose, I have to take two numbers as input in order to check whether they are equal or not. Okay. Enter value 1. Okay. I'm taking another variable b to store value 2. Enter value 2. Okay. So after reading these two values, now we can check whether these two values are equal or not with the help of if-else statement. So here I can write a double equal to b. If this condition is true, then we can print given values are same. Or we can write given values are equal. Okay. Suppose if this condition is evaluated to false, then it is going to enter into the else block. So inside else block, I'm going to print given values are not equal. Not equal. Okay. So now let's run this code and see the result. So it is prompting us to enter value 1. I'm entering value as 14. Value 2 is 13. It will show you the result as given values are not equal because 14 is different and 13 is different. So let's take same value like 33 here, value 1, and value 2 is also 33. Now this will show you the result as given values are equal. Okay. Because for the first case 14 and 13, this a value becomes 14 and b value becomes 13. So 14 double equal to 13 condition will become false. So it will enter into the else block and it is going to display this statement given values are not equal. If you consider the second case, both the values I have given as 33, 33. Now in this case 33 double equal to 33 condition will become true. So associated statement will be executed, which is given values are equal. Okay. So this is how we can write programs related to if-else statement.